it's very complicated to get who is coming to be fast in the refugee program or not.
Sí. No se sabe.
If you are white or black or Africa or Asia or Arabic or not Arabic or Syrian or
O viniste regular o irregular, o estás en el programa.
some of them
o
fast,
no.
some of them less. We have some people is Syrian people. They are coming together, and they stay in the program together. One of them, 1 month, he has the ID,
La protección subsidiaria.
yeah, and another one is stay for now. He doesn't have anything.
O sea, que ni las ONGs ni la gente saben de qué depende, no entienden lo que está pasando porque no saben si es que hay alguien ahí en el ministerio que hace bomba, tú sí, tú no. No se sabe y por qué unos tardan, otros no. Y sin eso tú no puedes ni sacar la tarjeta sanitaria, ni hacer un montón de cosas. Él en un día consiguió hacer todos los papeleos que no consiguió hacer en 8 meses. Y ni siquiera lo querían empadronar. O sea, hay muchísima gente que ni siquiera conoce lo que es una tarjeta roja.
If you are outside the program for a refugee, you cannot get help in an easy way. You cannot get help for a money, for a health. You cannot get help for an easy way. The difficult thing, when you think about, I cannot work for now. With tarjeta roja, I cannot work. If you don't help me to stay here, how you can say welcome refugee and you put it in Madrid, welcome refugee? Where's the welcome? If you don't help me to have a life inside your country, this is difficult. But we have a lot of things. It's easy for you contact with the people. Just when you have a language, you can contact with the people. The people is here they have is more or less same Arabic culture. They have something you can contact with them is easy. There isn't anything impossible for me. Yeah, the first. The second, we can try. If we don't get the real way, we can fix it a little bit after.
Digo yo.
It's amazing idea to get the people to feel they feel them life in one small city. Why not?
¿Cuánta gente tiene que venir? 17.000 no sé cuántos, ¿no? ¿Tú crees que en 17.000 no sé cuántos no va a haber 100 personas, ¿sabes? Que ya vivieran en un medio rural, que esa sea su vida de antes. ¿Tú crees que no hay nadie así? Claro que hay gente así. Hay gente que nunca ha estado en este medio y que quiere ir a este medio, que quiere estar tranquila y que la dejen en paz y vivir.
If you enter inside, you need to respect the culture, and you learn from inside. You learn. Sometimes we don't know something about this culture. We go to visit, and the people is there.
Sí.
They live them culture there.
A mí me parece mucho más fácil para la integración. A mí todo lo contrario, me parece muchísimo más fácil cuando es en un medio pequeñito o medianito, porque la gente, eso, se relaciona muchísimo más, te relacionas con tus vecinos, con tus vecinas, tienes una vida mucho más tal que si estás en una ciudad enorme que eres anónimo.
No, in a capital, I don't think is possible. We need to put the refugee inside our discuss. Please, if you have a charter for a refugee, don't get the refugees outside. You need to ask him what you have a problem, and I can answer to you. Not that we discuss about refugee and there isn't any refugee in our charter.
Se hizo viral una foto de, no me acuerdo en qué país era, que era un consejo de no sé qué para la salud de la mujer. No
Sí,
había ninguna mujer.
sí.
Pues es lo mismo. Se están haciendo planes para personas refugiadas sin personas refugiadas. Es como, pero señor,
What do you discuss?
¿qué está pasando aquí?
Yeah. For me, she mentioned Almania. Every time I said, we have one example in Europe. They receive refugee before Spain, for example, yeah? And they have them idea about refugee, and they have them program about refugee. They understand more refugee, more than here. Why we don't learn from them?